My name is Rakesh Patel. I'll be reviewing Greatmats mats. So we have Greatmats foam mats, black and gray. I'm going to put them on this area of the basement and show you guys how I put them on. I have not done it so far, so this is just randomly I'm going to put them on. Just covering one section of my basement here. So yeah, randomly laid out the black and gray foam mats. It looks really nice even with the random layout. It's really comfortable. You could work out in here just fine, or kids can play without any problem. They can fall without getting hurt. Yeah, come on here. So much nicer, right?